Hey guys, I have a haul for you today. I went sourcing a couple of days ago. No, friggin' yesterday. Guys, my days are all mixed up. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First thing is this sweatshirt. It is pink Victoria's Secret. This is a size medium. It's a little bit cropped. Otherwise, I would keep it. I don't like cropped stuff. I feel, I don't know. I just don't like wearing cropped stuff. So it's a little bit cropped. This was new with tags, but I threw it in the wash and washed it, and the tags came off. So it's new without tags, and it's been washed once, but it is super cozy and comfy, and I love the color, and it's got the hoodie strings. You guys like when it has hoodie strings, and it's a cowl neck, and I love the color. And again, it's like kind of cropped, like, I don't know, I can't really show you. It'll be better on a mannequin. I'll insert a picture. Found these jeans. These are vintage Bill Blass jeans, or Blaze jeans. I don't know, I looked them up, and it's definitely a vintage brand. These are a size, it says size 6. I measured the waist, it's a 25, but they're just high-rise mom jeans. And they're in excellent condition. And there's the tag. Bill Blass, or Blaze, or Blass, or what, or I don't know. I found these sweatpants that already sold. They're a size small. They are pink Victoria's Secret wide leg sweatpants with like a tropical Hawaiian print on the logo right there. Just like really cozy sweatpants, and they sold, and I gotta mail them out today. I found this Celtics sweatshirt that I might keep. It's a size large. Looks like this. I don't know if you can tell, but the letters, the black letters, are like sparkly, but it's not like obnoxious sparkliness, you know, it's cute. I like it. I might keep it. This Rockaware sweatshirt. This is a size large. Like this is like longer too, and then on the back got this laciness going down. It says the ROC. New Balance jacket. It's a size medium. I love the color. Really comfy fleece jacket. I found this men's Helly Hansen lightweight hoodie. If I can hold it up right. Looks like this. Really cool olive green color. It doesn't have a size tag on it, but this is like a men's medium. Champion sweatshirt. It is kind of cropped. It's a size medium, just like this rainbow tie-dye-ness. I found this Under Armour Marine Corps Semper Fi hoodie. If you guys didn't know, I was enlisted in the Marine Corps. I think I should do a story time video on that, because I posted on Instagram and you guys are like, what? So yeah, I think I might do like a story time video coming soon. Let me know if you want to see that. I found this sweatshirt. I think it's from like Shein, one of those websites. It just says, come on Barbie, let's go party. I thought it was cute. I like the color. The size tag says medium, but it definitely fits like a large. These cute AG jeans. These are the Stevie ankle slim straight leg jeans, size 28. And this like polka dotness. Oh, that they're cute. These would be cute for like springtime. I found some Miss Me jeans. Guys, my thrift store, it's such a joke. Somebody tipped them off. Somebody let them know that Miss Me was a good brand, because they literally have a wall of Miss Me jeans now, and they're all marked at $40 friggin' dollars. Honestly, like, who's going to a thrift store and is spending $40 on jeans? Okay, maybe 25. Like, I was talking to my husband about this. Like, maybe $25, but literally, who's going to a thrift store and is spending $40 on jeans? I don't know, but they have like a whole wall, because I was like, I haven't found Miss Me jeans in a while, and then I look on the wall, it's like literally like 10, 15 pairs of Miss Me jeans. I'm like, okay, somebody definitely tipped them off, but they missed these ones. These are actually vintage Miss Me jeans. They are the Sunny bootcut jeans. They're a bigger size. They're size 31. No blingage on them. They're just distressed. Dun, dun, dun. This, the Miss Me label has rubbed off right here. There's the tag on the inside. But yeah, they missed these. They missed these ones. So you missed this pair of Miss Me jeans, thrift store. I found a lot of Sherpa items. This is a size medium, pink Victoria's Secret, just black Sherpa like pullover. Oh, it's got pockets. I didn't know that. Right, it has pockets. Yes. Yeah, just really comfy, cozy. I need to like lint roll this. I've already washed it, but shit sticks to this stuff like little fuzz balls. It's so annoying. This is a size extra large. I actually found 2 extra large items from pink Victoria's Secret. Yes, this is extra large, really pretty blue color. It's just a quarter zip. Again, Sherpa jacket. This one is the same one. This is a size, I think small. Yep, small. Really pretty color. This one definitely needs to be lint rolled. Again, it was washed, but shit just sticks to these guys like freaking glue. Found this cute pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is medium, but it definitely fits like a large. Found this hoodie. This is an extra large. I actually found the matching pants to this, but I might keep them for myself because I'm actually wearing a pair right now. I love their sweatpants. I think they're called the campus pants. I don't know, but I love them and they're so comfortable, and I don't have this color. I have like this color blue, but I don't have this color blue. So I might keep the pants. But the pants, I don't remember what size they were. I think they were medium and this was extra large. That kind of mismatched. Otherwise I might sell them as a set, but anyway, extra large, excellent condition. It's Adidas shirt. This is a size medium. It's got like all over Adidas logo, the 3 stripes. Found these American Eagle super high rise jegging jeans, size 10. You guys know I love my American Eagle jeans. I love them. I love picking up bigger sizes. Columbia PFG fleece T-snap jacket. If you watched my previous haul, is it up? I don't know if it's up, but I found another one. It's a bigger size. The other one was extra large. This is a medium. Looks like this. And again, on the back, PFG logo. Really nice LL Bean jacket. And if this was my size, I would keep it, but it's not. It's an extra small. It kind of fits like a small. I got to do measurements, but it's really nice. I found this cute Adidas jacket. This is a size small. This definitely fits like a medium. Really pretty pink color with the 3 stripes. This is super cute. I just made a video talking about brands that I'm not going to pick up in 2022, and I said Free People was one of them unless it was like a cool print. I thought this was cute. This is a size small, and it's just a button-down shirt. I like the colors. Sorry, it's super wrinkled. It just came out of the wash. And I like that it has a raw hem at the bottom. I don't know. I thought this was cute. Madewell button-down shirt, size small. It just has purple polka dots on it. This is super cute. This is a Nike sweatshirt, size medium. Cute. It does have a stain on the back. You could probably get it out. It's not noticeable. It would be where your hair is anyway, so super cute. North Face hoodie, size small. There's a really pretty blue color. If I can hold it up right. These are cute. I want to keep them for myself. They are just Nike sweatpants, size medium. Really pretty pink color, but they're like the wide, like loose fitting, like jogger kind of sweatpants. Like, I don't know. These are like super cozy. I have like 5 pairs of these. I have like black, blue, green, purple. I have a lot of pairs of these. I don't have pink though. I did have pink actually, and I sold them. So I might keep these for myself unless you guys want them, but super cute. So that is it for my little haul, just some bread and butter items, but I like to keep it real with you guys and let you guys know I don't always find amazing things. What is that sweatshirt? Oh yeah, there's another Nike sweatshirt. It's just like a gray cowl neck that's still on my mannequin, but you know, nothing special. If there's anything in this video that you see that you want to purchase, it'll all be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.